going to open 3 toys. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Are you excited? Subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Good job. But first, let's check it out. This is the Peppa Pig, and it's the venter. But they have a button right here. It made this sound. And then this. Look at the front and look at the back. You have a swimming pool, fire, marshmallow and chair, chicken, and bed. And this is the driver's seat, I think. Then we have the 12. We have 3 boys and 1 girl, but I don't know what it did one. We'll find out at the end. And we have so many different throws, but except for these. Maybe you want of these. Do you think you want of these? Subscribe. And we have super mega egg. It has. We don't know what it's called, but we it has something in it. Oh, but first, boy and girl, let's open it. Open the toy.
Okay, I'll help you open the toy.
Okay.
Okay.
But first, girl, boy and girl, mommy, don't you help me open the toy.
Okay.
Subscribe.
Okay. Come out of the way.
So you're gonna cut. That was silly Noah. Got the plastic off. Let's open the egg.